Hey everyone, it's Dr. Foley again. I wanted to talk to you about a problem that we have in our office quite a bit. It's called leaky gut. I'm sure you've heard of a leaky gut. We have a way to actually seal that gut up, and it works really well. I'll talk about that in just a minute. I just want to talk about a leaky gut. So these cells that are in your body, they have what's called villi on there. And so if this is a cell, you got the villi, that's kind of like your shag carpet. And you have these gut cells, and you got the villi on there, and they have to butt together. And when they butt together, if you looked at it under a microscope, it looked like there were some cables that were holding that together. And what happens over time, due to bad food, sugar, all of the chemicals and stuff that are in our food, it wears and tears on these cells that are in the gut, and you have thousands of trillions of cells that are actually in the gut to make up the gut. First of all, this villi is for surface area, so food can get in and get into the cells. But what happens is it wears and tears on the cell itself. This is supposed to be called a tight junction. Those little cables get loose in there, and then microscopic food can transport out in between the cells, and that's what's called a leaky gut. Now, a lot of doctors will just give you antibiotics. Well, medical doctors will give you antibiotics, but a lot of doctors will give you herbs to handle that. They'll give you probiotics to handle that. But really, that doesn't really seal up the gut. So what I wanted to tell you about is a product that we discovered works really, really well on leaky guts, and it's called Restore. What Restore is, it's not a probiotic, but it gets the probiotic to work much, much better and actually be able to seal up these leaky guts. Now, it comes in a couple of forms. It comes like this here, and you take an ounce of it per day. You can put it in anything hot, anything cold. There's really no taste to it. But I'm just going to read some of the things that Restore does. It balances and heals the leaky gut, supports respiratory wellness, it combats environmental exposures, promotes immune function. You've got to remember that 80 to 90% of your immune system is your gut. Enhances mental clarity, because it also helps, there's a thing called the brain-blood barrier. It actually helps to seal that up also. It comes in a form like this, in different size bottles that you can take, and you just put them into your what you're drinking. You do this once a day. It also comes in sinus spray. It has a little sinus spray bottle. You put it in the nostrils. You do 2 or 3 shots in each nostril. This is great for people that have sinus problems. If you think about your sinuses, that's a continuation of your digestive system. So it's the same type of material in your sinuses that are also in your gut. So it helps to seal that up, especially if you have environmental problems, like you're sensitive to smells, trees, allergies, those kind of things. So what it does, at least in the gut, is it gets the bacteria to work better, and it helps to seal up the leaky gut. Now, that's not going to happen overnight. It takes a little time to do that. But once that leaky gut is sealed up, then a lot of your symptoms start to go away. Symptoms like allergies, digestive issues. And again, your immune system, the healthier your gut is, the healthier your immune system is. So Restore is what we use in our office all the time. If you want more information on leaky gut and other health issues, I am having a workshop. It's coming up this weekend. It's going to be Saturday at 10 o'clock. It's absolutely free to anyone that shows up. It's going to last about an hour, hour and 20 minutes. We talk about the gut. We talk about the thyroid, Hashimoto's, the liver, the proper way to exercise to lose weight. If you want to come to that workshop and learn more about how to get healthy, stay healthy, and do it naturally, you can call 615-333-0056. That's 615-333-0056. And you can learn more about how to get healthy, stay healthy, and do it naturally. And also you can call that number if you want more information about Restore.